Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this eyeshadow look step by step. I'm using a few different eyeshadow palettes and I'm very excited to show you how I created this look. So without further ado, let's get started. I have you zoomed in really close today and I have already applied my foundation and my bronzer, and I have this video, I'm going to link it here for you if you want to know how I have applied my foundation. But I'm going to get right into the eyeshadow look for you today, and I want to start with my brows. Today I'm going to use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in taupe. Next, I'm going to apply the Tinted Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Granite. And I'm just going to brush my brows right up. Next up is priming the eyelid, and today I'm going to use the NARS eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to take a little bit and blend it in with my finger. Now for today's look, it's important that you know I'm using 3 different palettes because I'm very particular on how this look is going to turn out, and I'm trying to channel what I have in my mind. And I went through all of my palettes, and these are the 3 palettes that have different shades in each one to achieve the look that I'm going for today. But when you're creating this look, just look through your palettes that you have and try to find similar colors. You don't necessarily have to use these same palettes, but if you can find similar colors, then that's great. So today's look, I'm going to start with the transition shade from the Tati Beauty palette. So from this palette, I'm going to reach right down here for this shade Soothe. This is such a beautiful transition shade. I've really fallen in love with this. And I'm just going to go back and forth in between my crease and not go too far above my crease. And the brush that I'm using is the Stiff Shader from the Mint Pear 7-piece set. I will link all of the products below for you. Now I'm going to take a crease blend and gently blend this color. The next shade is going to be the Metallic Aurora, and I'm just going to take a different stiff shader and I'm going to pat this right onto the inner corner of my lid. And now I want to smoke out the end of my eye, so I'm going to take a Soften and Smudge, and I'm going to reach into the Tati palette. Woo, woo. Reaching into the Tati palette, I'm going to take Ritual. Now once I have the Ritual packed on, I'm in a little bit smudged out, I'm going to reach back in for the Matte Memory, which is this black, this coal black, and I'm going to put this really close to my lash line. And now that I have blended out that smudged corner, I'm going to start with the under eye, and this is where it gets really fun. I'm reaching into the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Mashup. This is like a metallic purpley shade. And I'm taking a new Soften and Smudge, so it's not the same Soften and Smudge, or you would want to clean it because you don't want to get any black underneath. We want to keep that nice and bright. So we're going to take that Smash Up Purple shade, and I'm going to go right underneath my lash line. Now for that bottom waterline, I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Psychedelic Sister, and I'm going to line the under lower waterline. Now even more, I want this under eye to really be electric and pop and really contrast with the gold upper lid. So on top of that, I'm going to put the deep end, which is a nice teal blue, and this is going to go right on top of that Psychedelic Sister. And now you can see those colors together just really make this beautiful cobalt, deep, rich, purpley blue, and it's so gorgeous in real life. When you see this, it's kind of like you don't know what's going on because you've smoked out that purple a little bit and it just fades into this beautiful dark cobalt blue purple. So now we're not finished. I'm going to line the upper lash line with liquid liner. Now I'm using the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D, and this is black, so I'm just going to quickly line my lid. Okay, so now we are going to add the extra to the extra, and I'm reaching into the Pretty Rich palette by Too Faced, and I'm going to go for Fluent in Diamonds, which is this beautiful gold shade right here. And I'm going to take this with my finger and just press this just like this. And this is going to go on my lid. Using your finger to apply this type of eyeshadow is really going to prevent a lot of fallout, and it's really going to allow you a precise placement to place this shiny, messy product exactly where you want it. Let's just call that good night. For mascara, I'm going to use Lancome Monsieur Big. And for lashes today, I threw on the Faux Mink Wispies by Ardell. Now moving on to lips. Today I'm going to line with the Stila Stay All Day Lip Liner in Pink Moscato. And for today's lipstick, I'm going to be using number 10 by YSL, which is like a nude pink, a very beautiful nude pink. And there you have it, today's final and completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This was so much fun to create using so many different palettes, and I really want you to leave your questions below. I'm always here to help. Make sure that you hit that subscription button and turn on your notifications so that you know when my new videos are live on my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.